want to talk about doing down good. I came up with this idea when recently my wife and I kind of got into a little bit of a heated debate about my health and about the way I was thinking about my health. And when I was overly concerned, when I was really consumed with my thinking, I was really in a down spot. And when I was in that down spot, I was really desperately trying to ask for help. I was wanting her to tell me, how do I get out of this position? What do I do? And she would give me an answer and I would say, no, that's not the right answer. You don't understand. Try again. And she would try again and I would get frustrated and angry and I would say things like, well, you just don't understand. You've never been in my situation. Why do I keep asking you for help? And then she would say, well, I'm not gonna try to respond anymore. Well, see, there you go again. You're just refusing to try to fix me or try to help me. So what I realized is it really wasn't anything that she had to say as much as it was where I was trying to solve the problem from. So I was really struggling, and that struggle was telling me, you need to fix this, you need to do this. All of that stuff was an indicator of where I was at. I was down. And the nature of being down is to have all kinds of problemed feelings. And it's meant to it caused me to have anxiety, like I needed to fix it, I needed to find the answer. And no matter how much I begged and pleaded, no matter what she tried to give me, it wasn't good enough because of the state of mind. The information she gave me was probably spot on, but because of where I was at in my head, nothing would have worked. So when I get down, the feeling I have is to do something. When I get down, what I now understand is that's just information about my thinking. It's not information that I need to do anything with. So if I realize, man, right now, I'm feeling overwhelmed, I'm feeling down, I'm feeling frustrated, I'm feeling anxious. If I just see that as information about my thinking versus it's information I need to do something with, it's super cool because then I can just rest in it. I can be glad that I recognized that I'm down. And the minute I recognize that I'm down, the down does not seem so bad. Because honest and truly, probably not 10 minutes before, I wasn't feeling all those feelings. And I wasn't really thinking about feeling down. I wasn't thinking about feeling good. But when I'm in that place of despair, everything is going to feel like I need to do something. When in reality, I probably am better off to just see it as information, not believe I need to process it, understand it, do anything with it. If all I do is see it as information, it seems to pass a lot more quickly. Asking for help when I'm in a down place adds more fuel to the fire. So remember, being able to sit with down good changes everything.
That was sweet. Put that thing in your pocket or clip it.
There you go.
There we go. Thank you.
Hey guys, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and look us up on the internet at embrace.life. Thanks for watching. Was that good?
That's perfect. Yeah, you guys want to do it again?
Yeah.
One more time, just for
giggles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys,
Hey guys,
remember to like and subscribe.
remember to like and subscribe.
And for more information,
And for more information,
check us out.
check us out at embrace.life.